Hey guys, Tommy Bryson here, and for this video, I want to do something that I haven't seen anyone on YouTube actually do just yet, and the whole point is that I want to make my own course, and the main thing is that I haven't seen a video on YouTube talking about the best places to actually go to actually build, upload, and sell your very own course for free. No money up front, and it's all free. So for this video, I went ahead and I found the top 5 places, and on top of that, I found 5 tutorials on how to build this step by step, so that way A, you get the best places and how they work, and also B, you get exactly tutorials on how to do everything step by step without having to buy a course and how to make a course, which is not really that fun, to be honest, because it costs a lot of money, over $1,000 and more. So I just saved you guys $1,000, and if you guys appreciate that just a little, go ahead and do me a favor and also like this video, destroy the like button, okay? Do whatever you want with it. And on top of that, also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified, because I do post videos on YouTube every single day. And on top of that, guys, by the end of this video, I'll give you guys a bonus 2 websites to actually sell more courses when you do build it. And on top of that, another website to make your business official without having to pay for an LLC whatsoever. So stick around to find out exactly how all this stuff works. But guys, comment down below and let me know exactly what course do you actually want to build. Is it about cooking, YouTube, making money, real estate? What is it about? Comment down below, let me know. And to be honest, my entire course is about finance, and I'm working on it right now, and it should be up within 3 months or so. But the whole point is that making a course is a lot of work, but the profits are very, very real. And the best part is that once you build the course, you get sales on it recurring, and that way you get paid passive income for something you did already, which is awesome if you ask me. Now, let's get right into the video and talk about the best 5 platforms to actually build your entire course on. And now the first one, guys, is actually Teachable. Teachable is a platform that I've used now for a while to actually take courses, but now I'm building my very own course within Teachable, because a lot of YouTubers out there actually use Teachable to actually promote their courses, sell their courses, upload their courses, and also build their courses very fast and very quickly. But guys, here are the most important details that you need to know about Teachable before you actually go ahead and try to sign up for it, because the first thing is this, guys: although Teachable is pretty cool, it does cost money, but it can also be free if you just do it for free, although the free button on this website is very well hidden, okay? The first thing is this, guys: if you want a basic program with some of the pretty cool features, that costs $29. If you want a free program, that costs $0, but a very hefty transaction fee. And on top of that, if you actually want a very premium program and you actually just want the best things possible, that's going to cost you around $399 for a business plan, which is not that bad at all compared to everything else out there, but it's one of the most expensive ones that I actually found out of this top 5 list, okay? And by the way, guys, some features that are pretty cool about the entire Teachable experience is basically that they actually give you the ability to actually add coupon codes, affiliate marketing, and on top of that, create quizzes and exams for your entire students. So for example, if you want to sell your course through affiliate marketing, you can do that if you want to. And if you want to add coupons and all that fancy stuff and also quizzes and exams for your students, you can also do that, which is pretty great and pretty awesome. And now, guys, if you guys ask me, Tommy, what should I do? Should I pay for it or do it for free for the first month? The answer is, I think the best way to do this is always to try something out for free, and then if it makes sense, then you go ahead and you graduate and invest into a premium program, and then step by step you grow into that business plan of $399. But I don't think you should pay any money just yet until you first start off, and then do it for free, learn how to do everything, and then you start paying for a premium program. Now, guys, I went ahead and I found a step-by-step tutorial on how to build your own Teachable websites. So if you want to learn about that, because I can't fit that in this video, I found a video on YouTube by Gillian which explains every single detail on how to build your own Teachable website. On top of that, I also took that, and guess what? I learned a lot. By the way, guys, the reason I'm not recommending courses here is because if I told you guys, hey, buy this course, teach you about Teachable, it's going to cost like $400. So why not just watch a YouTube video on how to do it for free without having to go out there and be like, hey, I'm going to pay for a course to build a course, to then build another course, and then guess what? Now I'm missing a course to actually build this part of the course. The answer is no. Just watch this full video by Gillian on her YouTube channel, and that way you're good to go. By the way, I'm going to mention a lot of YouTubers in this video, but the whole point is to give you guys places you can go to actually watch the videos step by step, but I am not affiliated with them, and on top of that, they don't even know I watched their video, and I'm actually recommending them, okay? So there you go. And now, guys, the second platform you can actually use to build your entire course is actually Udemy. Now, if you hear about Udemy, the whole point about Udemy, for some strange reason, every course on there costs around $200, but everything is like 99% off all the time, and I didn't understand why until I actually learned exactly how the entire structure of the business actually works. So if you want to build a course course on Udemy? Well, you want to watch this part of the video right here. Now, the first thing is this, guys. Udemy is very strange. And I wonder, guys, what happens if you bought a course for $200 and then you actually come back and it actually costs $12 now? Do you get a discount or a refund on that? I don't know, but the whole point is that Udemy is very strange. But here's what you need to know about Udemy if you want to build a course and sell it on Udemy. The first thing is this, guys. Although I'm making fun of Udemy, it is basically no joke, okay? These people have over 30 million students. And even if you got 1% of those students, well, not even 1%, even if you got 0.1% of those students, it's around 30,000 students to actually buy your course every single month, which is a ton of money. But there is a catch to this, guys, okay? Because basically, if you actually get people to buy your course through Udemy and they use your link, well, you get paid around 97% of all the money, and Udemy gets only 3% of the money. Tell me, this is great, okay? A great deal. But the answer is, guys, that Udemy is basically a platform to actually sell courses and market courses on their own. So basically, the entire goal is that you upload a course and then Udemy grabs that course and markets it for you, and then boom, you get sales recurring every single month. Now, the big catch is this, guys, okay? If someone goes on Udemy and finds your course organically, well, Udemy will take around 50% and you'll also get 50%, okay? Now, Tommy, that is scary. Wow, that's a lot of money. But that's not all, guys. If Udemy actually goes out there and advertise your course and then someone buys it, well, guess what now? Udemy gets around 75% and you, the person that built the course, only gets around 25%. Now, you're probably saying, Tommy, I don't want to use Udemy. It's too much money. They take too much. The answer is, guys, well, I thought so too. But in reality, it's kind of like every single platform out there. For example, on YouTube, I get taken every single month around 45% of my income because YouTube is a platform that does everything and I just post the content. It's kind of like normal, okay? Now, the whole thing is this, guys. Udemy is kind of like for people that want to build a course and just leave it alone and just get paid money every single month by having Udemy do all the work. However, if you already have a big audience and all you want to do is like sell your course and just do that normally, well, you can do that if you want to and get paid 97% of the money, and Udemy gets 3%, but usually you don't really have a big audience, so you just like want to sell it by doing just like no work. So if you want to do that, Udemy will charge you around 50% to 75% of all the money every single month of every single sale. And on top of that, your course will go on sale a lot because again, courses go from $200 on Udemy all the way down to $11.99. But okay? But for example, guys, if your course costs $11.99 and you sell every single month, for example, 200 courses, okay, times 200, well, that's 2,397. That means you get to keep around 0.25%. That means you make $600 without doing anything whatsoever. So that's why I think, although Udemy is very expensive, it's still solid if you don't want to do any work and you just want to build a course and don't ever worry about it and don't ever look at it, okay? So Udemy, that's how it works. Comment down below and let me know, do you like this one or do you not like it? And on top of that, guys, when it comes to Udemy, I found this step-by-step tutorial by a guy named Ferdy that teaches you exactly how to do a step-by-step course on Udemy for free. Again, link down below to his YouTube video, so check it out if you want to. If you want to do Udemy, check that video out. Is definitely a must, okay? Now the third platform is actually Skillshare. Now Skillshare is very different from everything out there, and it's kind of like the Netflix of courses in the way that you can't really sell your course or buy a course, but what you're actually doing is streaming courses, thus you actually get paid money like this. So Tommy, how exactly does Skillshare actually work? Well, the answer is this, guys, okay? You can actually become a teacher on Skillshare, and the point is that the average new person that becomes a teacher gets paid around $200 every single month, which is a ton of money if you ask me for a first-time person. Now, the way it works is that you can actually get paid in two ways. The first way is if you refer a person to Skillshare and they sign up for a premium plan, you get $10. However, the way you actually make the most money is by actually having people actually watch your content per minute, and then you get paid royalties on your content every single month. Now, that sounds pretty cool until you take into account that basically, well, how much do you actually pay me per minute? Well, they don't really describe it at all in their website. So the whole point is this, guys. I found someone on YouTube that actually made around $40,000 by using Skillshare. By the way, guys, Skillshare is kind of like more for a niche market of like photography, videography, like sharing skills out there that people don't really know a lot about and actually want to learn about. And by the way, if you get paid royalties up to $200, like for doing a course of between like 30 minutes to 50 minutes, it's not really that bad at all. So in reality, the guy I found actually made around $40,000 in 2 years. So I'm going to link his video down below below. His name is Yaza, okay? And it's pretty cool if you ask me. But the entire point is that, Skillshare makes sense because that way people go, they pay a membership fee, they watch your course, and then you get money on royalties. So not that bad at all. But the whole point is, Skillshare is like Netflix. It's not like, I buy a course or I put my course on discount. No. It's all about building a course, then driving traffic to it and getting paid royalties, and also getting paid referrals for people that actually join Skillshare. That's how it works, okay? And if you ask me, guys, it's a pretty solid way to actually make a lot of money if you actually have a big audience and just want to drive traffic to it and have the audience watch your content, and then they get the skill and then you get paid cash, okay? That's the best way I can see it playing out. But if you actually just want to make money per sale, it's not the place for you, okay? And now, guys, the fourth way is by far the hardest way. So if you want to make the most money here, well, I recommend you build your own website and your own funnel to actually make the most money. Now, the idea is, guys, if you do this, A, you'll make a lot of money, yes, but B, it will be a ton of work if you don't know anything about marketing and also how to build a website. Now, the main thing is this, guys. Tell me, how exactly do I do this? The answer is, I recommend you actually get a WordPress website. And to do this, guys, you only really need two things, and that is a WordPress website and also a plugin. And the plugin is actually called Learn 3.0. Now, with this plugin, it basically allows you to turn your website on WordPress into an entire course website without having to do all the work of coding and everything else. And tell me, how much does this cost to do? I know for a fact it is not free. The answer is, guys, you guys know, okay, nothing is free when it comes to website world. So basically, it costs around $159 to start and all the way up to $329 to actually get to the business plan. But the main point is this, guys, it is still pretty solid because, again, per month is only around $13.25 instead of paying $20 for Teachable. And on top of that, instead of paying 75% to Udemy for actually sharing your course and actually marketing also. So the whole point is, if you want to build your own course, okay, build your own website and do all the marketing and have everything on your shoulders, then this is the way to go. But if you ask me, it is a ton of work. And the only way I would do this is basically I have a big audience and all I have to do is just drive traffic over there because I know people already want to buy my course because they're interested in it and it has a lot of value to it, okay? But if you don't have a big audience and you just want to build it up and market it, it will be very, very hard to actually do, okay? That's my advice here. So again, guys, it's all about Learn 3.0 and also WordPress to build a website, and that is basically it. And on top of that, I linked a video down below on how to build everything. And by the way, guys, remember, I am not affiliated with these people. I'm just teaching you guys exactly how to do it. That way you get the best value for actually paying nothing at all. And now, guys, the final one is actually ThinkEpic.com, okay? Now, it sounds pretty weird if you ask me, like, the entire name thing, but I guess it's special in a way. But the entire point is that you can tell whoever built this entire website right here was someone that actually tried to build his own course but didn't find what actually wanted to do. So he built his own and included everything we actually want to as a creator of someone that actually wants to build their entire own course. Now here, Tommy, how exactly does it actually work? Well, the answer is, guys, you can actually start for free and they give you templates, landing pages, and also a lot of features. But the entire catch is this, guys. You can start for free if you want to, but like everything on the internet, if it is free, it's not free somehow, somewhere. So the answer is, guys, although they give you a lot of features and templates and all the fancy stuff, if you do have a free account, they will take a 10% transaction fee of whatever you actually sell. So if you sell a course for $100, they take 10. Is it a lot of money? The answer is, well, I checked the entire website and it has a lot of features like Shopify, templates, lead pages, like a lot of templates for everything. So basically, you log on, you upload your course, and everything else is set up for you by templates. So if you ask me, guys, when it comes to ThinkEpic, I think you should do the entire free one and pay that 10% transaction fee for the first month or so to actually figure it out. But the whole point is, if you actually want to pay for the premium plan, $49 or $279 for the entire business plan, the answer is it's expensive. But the free plan already includes a lot of features that the premium plans actually have already. So why not get started with the free plan? Figure it out. And if you want to invest into a premium plan, go ahead by all means. But for the first part, I honestly think you just stick with the free plan because it actually offers a lot of different features. Now, for example, some features are basically webinars. On top of that, free and paid courses for people that actually want to, guide people inside the website and be like, hey, it's a free course. But if you want the entire paid one, go ahead and buy this one right here. And also they offer drip content. And on top of that, they also have Shopify integrated into the website also. So if you want to use ThinkEpic right here, it has a lot of features, but I recommend you start with the free ones and then you start building from there. Now guys, that's basically it, the top 5, and here's the bonus for making it all the way to the end of the video. Now if you have a course, you already built it and selected a website, the answer is, well, now you want to sell it. So if you want to sell it, I recommend using ClickBank to have affiliates actually try to sell your course for you. A great way to do it. On top of that, if you want to build an LLC and make your entire business official, I have a link down below to my video on how to create a free LLC. That's the entire point here. And finally, guys, my final opinion is this, guys. Whatever you want to do, whether it's Teachable, Udemy, Skillshare, make your own, or for example, even ThinkEpic, the entire point is starting for free and then figuring out later on if you want to invest or if you don't want to invest. But don't pay for anything up front until you figure it out first, okay? And guys, as always, if you guys enjoyed this video, like this video, really appreciate it. And also, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so you get notified. And on top of that, also do me a favor, if you want to talk to me one-on-one, uno, just DM me on Instagram, Bryson. And before I go, if you want to watch a full video, okay, on that LLC, how to make one for free, watch this video right here. On top of that, click my face right here so I don't know. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and as always, peace.